In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove domain redirect in GoDaddy. If your domain keeps bouncing visitors to another site and you want it to stop, you're likely dealing with a forwarding rule. I'll walk you through removing that redirect cleanly, and I'll add a few tips so you know what to expect after you make the change. Start by opening your browser and searching for GoDaddy. Click the official GoDaddy website. Sign into your account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile name. Click it to open the account menu, then choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything you manage under this account. Find the domain you want to fix. If you manage multiple domains, double-check you're selecting the right one. Next, open its DNS settings. Depending on the layout you see, the button may be labeled DNS or Manage DNS. Both take you to the same place, the DNS management page. On the DNS management page, scroll until you find the forwarding section. This is where GoDaddy lists any rules that send your domain or a subdomain somewhere else. You might see entries under domain forwarding and, in some cases, subdomain forwarding. Identify the forwarding record you want to remove. If you're unsure, look at the destination URL shown there and make sure it matches the redirect you're trying to stop. To remove it, click the trash bin icon to the right of that forwarding record. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Delete to confirm. That's it. The forwarding rule is now removed. If you see multiple forwarding entries you no longer need, repeat the same delete action for each one. A quick note on what happens next. DNS-related changes and forwarding updates typically apply within a few minutes, but cache and propagation can occasionally make it appear slower. Give it a short while. To check more reliably, try visiting your domain in a private or incognito window, or test from a different device or network to avoid cached redirects. Also remember, removing a redirect doesn't automatically point your domain to a website. It simply stops the forwarding. If you want the domain to show a site, make sure your hosting and DNS records are set up for that separately. And that's the full process. You searched for GoDaddy, signed in, opened My Products, selected your domain, went to DNS, opened forwarding, clicked the trash icon, and confirmed delete. Follow these steps and your domain will no longer redirect.